So, in this video, we are going to be looking at using HTTP requests or commands in our Meshbot rules actions. Now, there are various reasons why you might want to be able to send out HTTP commands from your rules. Some examples might be sending a HTTP request to a local security camera. Perhaps you might want to change some settings or enable a feature on that camera. Another example might be sending a HTTP command to IFTTT and the webhooks, perhaps to control a cloud-based device or service. In this example, I'm going to send a HTTP request to my voice assistant speaker to make it talk, just for demonstration purposes. So the trigger could be anything you like. It could be date or time. It could be the status of another device. For this example, I'm going to leave the trigger blank. And we add a new action. And from the drop-down menu, we select HTTP request. We then select the method, so we can choose get or post, put or delete. I'm going to select get. Now I've got target URL, so in this field I paste in my HTTP command. I can specify credentials, a username and password if it's required. So I'm going to save the rule, save, and we can run the rule manually by pressing the play button to test that it's going to work and that our HTTP command will be sent out.
This is a test.
So there you heard my voice assistant speaker talk. So I know my HTTP request ran. So that's a quick look at sending out HTTP request commands in our Meshbot rules actions.